The sun is more than just a blazing ball of fire lighting up our skies. It's constantly bombarding the solar system with a stream of charged particles known as solar wind. These solar winds are a fascinating yet challenging phenomenon for space exploration. Today, let's dive into what they are and how they impact our journey into the cosmos. Solar wind is made up of high-energy particles that the sun continuously ejects into space. Traveling at speeds of over 1,000,000 miles per hour, these particles interact with everything in their path: planets, moons, spacecraft, and even astronauts. While Earth's magnetic field protects us from the worst of it, space missions and future exploration efforts face a much greater challenge. For spacecraft, solar winds are a double-edged sword. On one hand, they can damage onboard electronics, interfere with communication systems, and degrade solar panels over time. Intense bursts, known as solar storms, can pose even greater risks, potentially frying critical systems and endangering missions. On the other hand, the interaction between solar winds and spacecraft can be used for science, giving us a deeper understanding of the sun and its influence on the solar system. For astronauts, solar winds are a direct health concern. The particles can increase exposure to radiation, especially on missions beyond Earth's magnetic field, like those to the Moon or Mars. Long-term exposure can lead to serious health issues, making radiation shielding a top priority for future spacecraft and habitats. But it's not all bad. Solar winds have also sparked some of the most beautiful phenomena in the solar system. On Earth, they interact with our atmosphere to create the auroras, those mesmerizing displays of light near the poles. On planets like Mars, which lack a protective magnetic field, solar winds have stripped away much of the atmosphere over billions of years, giving us clues about how planets evolve. To prepare for the challenges solar winds bring, missions like NASA's Parker Solar Probe and ESA's Solar Orbiter are studying the sun up close. By understanding how solar winds behave, we can design better spacecraft, protect astronauts, and even predict space weather that could impact life on Earth. The sun's winds remind us that space exploration isn't just about reaching new destinations. It's about learning how to navigate and thrive in the dynamic environment of our solar system. Are we ready to tackle the sun's challenges, or is there still more to learn? Keep looking up because space is always in motion.